Working with foam is because it's the closest thing that I can materialize a digital photograph, because the polyurethane doesn't dissolve, it just breaks down, such as pixels, and becoming this poor, cheap image. It's beyond like the pop star. It's anyone that is creating an internet identity. You put all this information on there and then you decide to recoil from this image that you created, or you redesign it. It's all there. Your trace, your history, your life. So I think the only way to escape that trap is to be invisible, to be unseen. This highly commercialized image is something that is incredibly recognizable. It's actually the first instance where a human or a child is questioning their reality, the magic trick. So by putting it on foam, it's like this image that I can't really destroy and I'm having a lot of trouble working with. And the pole now is kind of holding the foam as if it's bait. And I'm thinking about what is the bait in these different traps that we're living in, and what's luring us into a facade or a magic trick.